Hi, my name is Aaliyah. I'm the owner and founder of Soap Cult Australia, which is an indie, witchy, gothic, secret society vibe soap brand based out of Brisbane, Australia. I've been a soap maker for about 10 or 11 years now, and you may remember me from my Salamouth Soap days, which was the name of our business until we rebranded in June 2020 with our new brand Soap Cult Australia. The reason I wanted to start this channel is because I absolutely love talking business, and while I love to watch videos of soap being made, what I'm really looking for is to connect with other soap makers and small business owners, be it candles, bath bombs, natural skincare, whatever it is, that are on the same business journey that I am, and I would love to share with you what I've learned along the way. I believe in ongoing education, so I'm constantly doing short courses and joining membership communities and just reading and listening to podcasts all about business and entrepreneurship, tech, marketing, all these kind of things. And I know for a lot of people it may not be as interesting as it is for me to learn about all that stuff. So I'd like to share what I know with you, and hopefully you can bypass some of the difficult stuff that you go through when you're trying to learn a new skill, and hopefully I can help you in your business journey. So that's why I'm here to share, so that we can all grow together, which sounds kind of cheesy and a bit trite, but I genuinely mean that. Before Salamouth Soaps and before Soap Cult Australia, I had worked in a lot of different jobs. And it's only upon reflecting on what I've done in the past that I've realized how much those previous career choices have actually benefited me now that I'm self-employed. When I first left school, I was a receptionist and then an insurance broker and then a commercial underwriter. So I've learned about being able to read documentation and look at technical information, be it like product policy wordings, risk management, and also the interpersonal skills of handling, claims and customer complaints and all that kind of stuff. And I did that for a long time, probably maybe 7 years. And then I wanted to do something different and a bit more hands-on and more creative, so I became a hairdresser. And that was great because that allowed me to build on the skills that I had learnt working in insurance. I then had to translate those skills into having a one-on-one experience with someone, where you really have to watch the words that you use and your body language and your facial expressions and all these kind of things, and you have to really communicate effectively with people, because if you misunderstand each other about something like a haircut or a hair color, there's going to be trouble. And that became really handy when I did market work, having been used to talking to people in such a one-on-one capacity. From there, I briefly worked in a tattoo shop, not actually as a tattoo artist because my art skills are rubbish, but more in like a booking, social media admin, personal assistant kind of role. Infection control cleaning, so making sure that everything was autoclaved and things were sterilized, not just sanitized, but all the things that you need to do, when you're working in a tattoo business. And then I ended up working for Lush, and when I first began, I was a Christmas casual and I quickly found that I actually really enjoyed the job. I enjoyed learning about the different products and having that one-on-one time with customers and helping them find the right product for them, and learning about the ingredients and how the formulations are all made and how to do demonstrations, and it was lots of fun. And I became a manager after that, still working at Lush. Did that for a number of years, and then I actually moved down to their head office in Sydney. I relocated to set up their customer care team. So that was a department that was looking after customer complaints and recording data about reactions and complaints and all that kind of stuff, and reporting that back to the more senior people in the team that would hopefully help to form policy and identify what training was required from the staff and all these kind of things. And I hadn't been in that role for a particularly long time, but then something more senior came up, and it was basically then managing that department instead of working in it, and also managing the charity team, the online store, and a few other things I've forgotten, but I ended up working at a senior level in Lush for a long period of time. So basically I've had all of these seemingly weird jobs that it's only upon reflecting that I realize how valuable they are now that I'm working for myself. And I really like shortcuts, hey? So if there's a way that I can give you this information and you can bypass all of the stuff that I've had to do to get there, to get that information, and then you can just take it and hit the ground running and plan your social media or do a business strategy or any of these sorts of things that I intend to talk about on this channel. That really is the ultimate goal, to share what I know so that you can help grow in your business. So that's the reason for my channel. So welcome. Hello, I'm Aaliyah. It's so nice to have you here. If this sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.